Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned still we can expect the price to drop. That's why we put this line 195. We mentioned still the possibility the price tag this low is there. But as we can see, the price, because we mentioned after this drop, any reversal we will take it. But the price dropped, but couldn't take the 195, and where the price reverse was 198. Okay, because we mentioned if we putting this two in relative to each other as a running flat, we don't want, I mean, we're looking for the reversal, but we don't want to price tag the low, okay, which is almost 195, because we mentioned at that times we get a different type of the flat. By the way, as you can as what we were expected, the price reverse and there was a few opportunity. This is the trade with the this small correction, and this is the another setup, trade setup to look for buy. But now we want to see what's the next, how we can look for next trade, whether up move or down move. And based on daily chart, this is what we need to look for, whether this is a bigger correction for one more drop or the price can break this one and continue. Means whether we move to forward chart. Okay, if we move to forward chart, this is what we have been looking for, this correction with the break. We want the price to continue and break the top, but the question is if the price continue and come to this top, all right, what we can expect, the continuation or the price to give us one more drop, because at that, because right now we have this the first move, internal correction, the last move. How about this fully become a correction relative to this for one more drop? I think the next drop, if we get, we don't expect the price to break this low. Maybe we get a bigger correction for next move. Okay, the reason I'm mentioning these things, if we want to buy the at here, we should wait for the trade setup, because what we if we want to look for buy, we want the price to break the top and continue. Okay, now we move to 1 hour chart. Based on 1 hour chart, what we have right now is not a good trade setup. At least we expect one more drop to give us a flat for continuation. And if this one turns to a deeper correction, it can give us a better trade setup. But what we have right now, it doesn't show us any trade setup. Okay, and what we want, if we get a correction, we want to wait for the breakout of this. Rather than that, we don't have any other way to trade. Even having entry above the stop can be option, but it's not that really good, because still we have this gap. And right now what we expecting here is to get the correction. And if the price continue from here, we wait for the breakout of the top, then any flag from there or a small correction, we can trade it. And if you want to look for sell, what we need, any sharp move down with the flag. It depends on the traders. But if we get any sharp move with the flag, then we should know that even if you're not going to trade this, look for sell, that means there is no more buy setup. Okay, then we have to wait for the next move down, then we see if there is a continuation or not. Okay, by the way, what we are looking for to see what we will get from here before we make a decision, because right now we cannot buy. Even there is a continuation, we don't, if we do the trade setup, we cannot buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.